Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Polaris Slingshot S. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2019 Polaris Slingshot with 37,029 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and reverse. Powered by a 2384cc four-cylinder engine, the Slingshot puts 173 horsepower and 166 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 9.8-gallon fuel capacity, the Slingshot has a 200 to 250-mile range. It seats two, has a 5-inch ground clearance, and a 1,660-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured the TRIKE charging output at 13 volts, the front left tire at 930 seconds, the front right at 830 seconds, and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the plastics, gouges in the head panels on the passenger seat, scratches on the taillight, blemishes on the tail section. This vehicle has an owner's manual and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.